Hey everybody, I'm Grady and welcome to Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Here you're going to find curated kits, my unfiltered opinions, and yes, the occasional boneheaded blunder. If it's unique, rare, or just plain cool, it's probably going to be around here somewhere sooner or later, and I am definitely going to build it. Eventually. Or at least I think I'm going to build it. Anyway, I have a. Today's video is the actual giveaway drawing from a couple of weeks ago. Um, life's life's been life. Depression is a son of a gun. Here I am, and I'm gonna turn this around and get her done. If you don't remember, um, promised a giveaway of 6 different kits using a random comment picker. So I'm gonna turn this around and pick a comment. Alright, so here we go. This is my computer set up on my 55-inch living room television. Hopefully it will ever come across well in the video. I don't remember. Let me see if I can remember off the top of my head what the kits were. I know there was a Nomad. I know there was a milk trike. I think there was some kind of woody pickup. There's another pickup. That's all I remember. Anyway, this will do the trick. This is a free online comment picker. It works real easy. And so what you see up here, that's the link for the video. Filter and duplicate users. So if somebody commented twice, which nobody did. Excluding users. You can see here I had to exclude myself. I ran a test run to see what would happen. It picked me because I had the pinned comment. So it took that out. And that's actually it. Get down. Oh, wait. Nope, not it. Using the free version, so we only get one winner at a time. That's the setting for the. Oh, what is it? The Jeopardy sound. Do, 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 do. You know. While we're waiting, prove I'm a human, and get the comments. 13 unique comments. Come on. And down here on the left, we pick a comment. So let's go. Round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Bearded guy Jeff Lawless. Alright. Jeff, you hit me up on Facebook, or I'll hit you up on Facebook, and I don't remember if I have your address or not, but we'll get your address. And Jeff picked a 55 Nomad. So Jeff Lawless wins the 55 Nomad. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for commenting, liking videos, and always supporting me, whether I'm on hit and miss or whether I'm doing regular videos. And I'm in a good mood, and I am going to pick another winner. I could not figure out how to oh goodness, what am I trying to say? How to limit the how to remove everybody that had picked the Nomad. So I probably could if this was a paid version and have more filters, blah blah blah. So I'm going to eliminate the bearded guy. Bearded, no spaces by Jeff Lawless. Hopefully that's going to work correctly. And we're going to go back. Where'd it go? That's not it. It's farther down. There we are. And we're going to hit. No, it's not there. I've got a super old computer, and gets when it gets graphically heavy, it slows down and gets glitchy. All right, we're gonna pick a new winner. Start, and I'm just gonna pick until it's not the Nomad. Round and round she goes. Who are we gonna pick this time? Oh, Ruin Crummett, and he picks the '53 Ford pickup. All right, that'll work. So, Ruin, I hope getting your name right there. My email address is going to be in the description below the video. Send me an email. Let's get together, get your address, your mailing address, and get you a kit sent out. So thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Ruin. Congratulations. Thank you, everybody that has subscribed, commented, and always supports my videos. And I'll flip it back around and have an outro. Okay, if y'all want more of my curated shenanigans, go ahead and like the video. Hit that subscribe button for me. I promise it's only going to hurt a little bit. And on that depression note, remember, y'all, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time.